clicked on this video because you're a beginner content creator and you're wondering what are the biggest challenges in the first month of content creation. I also wish someone had told me this truth because in my first few months I struggled. I mean, I quit, I pivoted, I quit again. I literally did that like 5 times before I was able to stay and show up consistently. And today I'm about to show you the top 7 mistakes I made so you don't have to do it the way I did. I don't want you to make the same mistakes I made. Let's begin. You know those dreams where you're naked at school? Am I the only one who has had it? Yeah, those. That's exactly how I felt when I first started creating content. My name, my ideas,
You're kind of yapping right now, though.
everything about me was on the internet. And it was not just a post to me, it was not just a brand, it was like my baby. So when people mocked it, even jokingly, I literally wanted to run. Like I wanted the ground to open up and swallow me. I wanted to physically run away. Like physically run away. And sometimes I delete those posts. I would ghost my own accounts. I would pivot to something else. I was overthinking it and I just tried different things, saying maybe this will work and then I'll quit again. I even made some financial mistakes, buying cameras, lights, fancy software, thinking that the right tools would help me. Okay, yeah, the right tools would help me, but what I got was not the right tools. And of course, spoiler alert, they didn't. Emotionally, it was draining. I felt like a fraud. I felt like a clown. And after failing and pivoting like 5 times, I finally figured out the 7 truths that would have saved me months of pain. And that's exactly what I'm about to give you right in this
Girl,
video.
finally get to the point.
So here's the breakdown. The 7 things I wish I knew before I started creating content. Number 1, I wish I knew that I could show my real messy self on camera because I used to spend hours editing, re-recording. It was so stressful. And then it was so hard to stay consistent because I was performing, right? I wasn't being my real authentic self. And so that was hard. Like that was hard to keep up with that show, with that whole performance. And it was draining me. And then it was one day that I posted a totally unpolished video. This video took me like 1 minute to create, so literally, okay, like 3 minutes. Like literally 3 minutes. And then guess what? That post went viral. And it did better than all my other posts I had made in the past. I got like 600k views when I was previously struggling to get 1k views. So people do not want a polished version of you. People want you as you are. Like if you look at my studio right now, it's so messy. It's so messy. And like that's what people want, because that's what people connect with. Like they don't want a robot, they want a human being with real struggles and real life. Number 2, I wish somebody told me that I only needed to tell my story. Exactly, you just need to tell your story. You don't need to teach people anything. You don't need to fake anything. You just need to tell your story. Your story is your number 1 strategy. I remember that I was trying to mimic a lot of bigger creators, like copying their tactics, copying their hooks, copying their structure. And while this was valid, like this is actually not a bad deal to do, it was also draining. And it was not what exactly that I needed. Like people did not need another Mr. Beast. People did not need another Alex Omondi. People did not need another of people that I was copying. I just needed to tell my own story, right? So just tell your story, like tell your messy, vulnerable story. So this kind of also backs up the first point I made. Tell your story, show your messy self, show your authentic self. Number 3, I wish someone told me that I did not need to act like I was an authority. This mic is not working, by the way. And this one cut me deep because I thought I had to teach people. I thought I had to act like the expert. I thought I had to be the guru, right? Like I thought I had to have this 10 years or previous experience. You're supposed to teach people what I know and create content on Instagram or anywhere else. But the truth is that at the time, I was a builder. I was learning. I was still on the journey. So I did not have 10 years of experience. I was literally just in my journey. And so instead of trying to act like I knew what I was talking about, I could have just acted like I was learning it and people can follow along with my journey. Like I'm building something, I'm working on something, I'm learning this thing. I'm not the expert at it, right? So once you switch from expert mode to documenting your journey, people will realize, people can connect with that because how many experts are there, right? But like, many people that are on the journey with you. So many people are also beginners that are trying to learn whatever you're trying to teach. So instead of being an expert, just document and let people follow along with you. And they'll obviously connect. Like they'll obviously relate, right? They can relate because they are also not experts. So your engagements will spark. Yes, so don't be a fake guru. Nobody needs that. Number 4, I wish someone told me that I did not need any expensive gear. Oh my god. This ring light here. I bought it for 24K at the time, and it's like it's now I don't even like it because it's too big. Like it's not portable. So I could have just spent the money. I could have just bought something else. I could have bought something more portable, and it was just a waste of money, sha. It was just a waste of money for me. And I mean, I spent a lot of money buying lots of things that I did not need, really. Like even my tripod, I could have done without a tripod. I could have done without a ring light. I could have done without this mic. And the only thing that I think I would have really, really needed was an RGB light and an iPhone. That's all. Natural lights would be my main light, and then my RGB lights would be my backlights. And so that's more than enough for me. Like now that I'm thinking about it, if I could go back, I would not spend money on all these things. Like it's not necessary. Although I'm using the ring light now, which is good because at least I'm not even using the mic because it's working, but I don't need it. So the important thing was to focus on your story, your actual content. Like people can forgive a horrible quality of video. People can forgive you not having a tripod or you not having a ring light. People can forgive that. So if you focus on gear, there's many people that have like this very big budget quality Hollywood level production for their videos and they still don't make a lot of they don't still get a lot of views because the content is still bad. So focus on making your content good before you now start buying stuff. So like people will engage on your video, even though it looks blurry, as long as the story is good, your hook is good, like the content itself actually makes sense. Number 5, I wish someone told me to focus on quantity and not quality. So I know it sounds counterintuitive, but if you post, like, if you try to focus and speak your content and become perfect at it, you will give up fast. And that's exactly what you don't want to do, right? So instead, focus on creating as much content as you possibly can and just putting it out there. And the thing is that the more you post, right, the better you get. It is inevitable. If you're focusing on quality in the beginning, you don't even know what good quality content looks like to begin with. Like you don't even know what to make that content good. So you're just trying to do things that you think people want to see. And that may not be what they want to see. But if you focus on quantity, you get to reiterate, get feedback as quickly as possible. Like if you're posting every single day for 100 days, you get feedback as quickly as possible and you can change and improve your content in like no time. So that's like that's like the best thing you can do. Like that's like if you don't take anything from this video, take that. Like that's like the best thing you can do. Number 6, I wish somebody told me that I do not need my friends or family. So support me. It actually hurt me a lot. Like because it felt like they were rejecting me. It felt like they know reach me, they don't send me. I felt cringe and stupid, right? But your audience is not a family member. Your audience is not your friend. Your audience is somebody that is online 2 a.m. searching exactly what you're talking about. So stop forcing the wrong people to care about your content. Like they're not your target audience and they will not share it, they will not like it. They will not be able to give you the engagement that you want at the end of the day. So yeah, they may repost just because you force them, but I mean, the energy will show that they don't really care about it. So there's nothing wrong. Find your people, find your community, make sure your content reaches those people, and then focus on them. Like leave family members alone. I promise you. Like just leave them. They don't send. And last but not the least, number 7. Make sure you actually love the process of creation. Yes, because it's hard. Like it's hard. It's actually very hard. Um, like right now, I'm in my studio. It's night. Like I'm supposed to have eaten dinner. I've not eaten dinner. I didn't wait to lunch because I was working on the script. I was going to script this today. Like I was going to use to make this video, and I had to use my makeup. I had to dress up. I had to. My phone died when I was recording my last video, so I had to charge it. Wait for it to charge to like 40% because I knew that I must make this video today. So yes, there's a lot of struggles. Other than that, like the money to like buy gear, if you're going to buy gear, the whole process of like making a video and you put your flesh and your blood and you work on this for like 12 hours and then you get 24 views. Like it's sad, it's hard, it'll make you cry. Me, I cried. I cried a lot. And I prayed a lot too because of content. So just make sure you actually enjoy it and make sure you actually love what you do. Make sure you actually love what you're talking about. Make sure that you make the process easy for yourself. Like something I did is that I used to batch record videos. Like I still batch record videos till today. I can script like 10 videos beforehand, record it in one day, edit it in one day. A different day from the day I scripted though. And a different day from the day I filmed though. And I can't edit and film in the same day. It's not just. But once you can begin to systemize and even take pleasure from the process, yeah, you can stay consistent. And consistency is key in this thing. Like some of the people that I started with that were like they had like way more followers than me at the time because I stayed consistent. I mean it's been 3 years now and I've stayed consistent and I have way more followers than them obviously because I stayed consistent. So it is a it is not survival of the fittest, it is survival of who can hang on the longest, right? So yeah, if you feel like quitting, don't worry, I guess it's like yes, fine, valid. Just embrace all the discomfort that comes with it. Stop acting like a guru. Stop waiting for people to support you. Stop waiting till you have the perfect gear. Just do what you have, work with what you have, do you, be your best self, share your story, and make sure you enjoy the process because I think that's
Please
what
get to the
matters.
point.
So here's what I want you to do. Out of the 7 things that I just shared, pick one to implement today. Like pick one. Post something messy and unaesthetic, right? Tell your story. Use your phone, no tripod, no ring lights. Use natural lights. Just do one thing on set, like in your video, watch your entire video, you can do one thing, pick one thing, do it, and like let me know how it goes for you.